The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, East Central Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located over central Edmond, just east of Nichols Hills, and near Bethany, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Edmond, Midwest City, Del City, Yukon, Bethany, Choctaw, War Acres, The Village, Spencer, Nichols Hills, Jones, Tacoma Park, Luther, Arcadia, Forest Park, Woodlawn Park, and Lake Aluma. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A strong thunderstorm will